Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Thank you guys so much for returning for another video with me. So today I have some cleaning motivation as well as a full-on laundry day for you guys. I don't know if you all remember how I was saying I was so proud of myself for staying on top of our laundry. Girl, that was short-lived. I have so much laundry to do and I'm going to be doing a lot of it in this video, so I hope that you guys enjoy. If so, please do not leave without giving it a big thumbs up. As always, before we dive right in, if this is your first time here, then hello, welcome. My name is Nina. I hope that you enjoyed this video and my energy just enough to click that subscribe button. If you are a returning squad member, then welcome back, squad. Go ahead and click that notification bell before you leave so that you get alerts each and every time I upload. Let's get started.
In my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me
I went ahead and cleaned the shower off camera per usual, guys. It's just such a workout. So I went ahead and got that done as soon as I came home from the gym. I did mention over on Instagram that the only time I clean the shower is one, as soon as I get home from the gym like I did this day, or two, first thing in the morning when I'm still in my pajamas, because I end up having to shower anyway when I'm done because it's such a workout. So I went ahead, got that knocked out, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the bathroom. I am going to be using my mop and mop bucket again. You guys know I was trying out the Swiffer, and long story short, I just prefer my mop and my mop bucket. I never got rid of it. I do use an old Cedar one. I believe I do have that linked down below. And my favorite solution for my mop water is the Pine Sol, the lavender one.
I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb. A tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew that we'd end up. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. We jumped off the subway leading nowhere. Your warm hands rubbed off the cold around me. I heard you say that everything is alright, but how did you know how I felt? You saw right through me that day. I was lost in space, but you pulled me down and wiped away those cloudy thoughts. I could see the sky when you were close to me. I can't believe what you brought. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. I will always remember it. How you turned everything around. I will always remember it. How you got me off the battleground. How you got me off the battleground.
one day. Oh, I never knew that you would be the one headed my way. Yeah. Oh, you caught me off guard and you took me by surprise.
If I've mentioned, but I'm almost certain I have, that laundry is definitely not my favorite thing to do. So when it gets piled up, I get so annoyed with myself because honestly, I feel like time flies by and sometimes I just don't have time to do several loads throughout the week like I would like. Guys, I was so proud of myself because I was so on top of it, and I honestly do not know what happened, but it happened and here we are. I do believe this particular day I ended up doing 6 loads of laundry. We ended up leaving, so I stopped the video to go get dinner, but as soon as we came back home from dinner, I showered and finished up a few more loads. So this was definitely an all-day chore. But when it's piled up like this, I do like to make sure that I am just getting it done so the laundry is in consistent rotation from the washer to the dryer, and me folding it and getting it put away is the only way that this is going to be successful.
You pull me back in like I'm your lady, but then you just stop trying. You push away then when I go all in, like you afraid of what might happen if you're trying. I'm already done with this game, so I might just be honest with that. I'm pushing you away then you pull me back in like I'm your lady, but then you just stop trying. Then you just stop trying. 2 nights and you think you know me now. 2 seconds and I might just throw you out. 'Cause I remember everything you did and everything I became out of like a no. So why are you doing this tonight? You always know how to get me sentimental. You always say the right things, like you're pushing me away then you pull me back in like I'm your lady, but then
I'm gonna go ahead and freshen up in the laundry room. I didn't remove the rug just because I had done that like a few days ago, but I always like to make sure that I'm vacuuming in here on a consistent basis. It just helps keep down on the dust, and I just pass the mop over the part of the floor that is not covered by the rug. So yeah, nothing too crazy, just freshening up in here, especially since I'm doing a lot of laundry. I always like to make sure that the laundry room is all nice and clean.
Thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe, it never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God, don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. Oh, oh. And the best part is that you're still so humble about it. 'Cause you know it's important. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God, this time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is
Guys, I will be sure to have all of the products that I use for our laundry listed down in the description box. So if you guys are interested, definitely check there. I did want to mention to you guys that I have gone back to using the Lysol laundry sanitizer. I used to use this in our laundry a while back, and honestly, I'm not quite sure why I stopped using it. The one that I love the most is the Fresh Blossom one. It's hands down my favorite. I have tried the original as well as the sport one, but the Fresh Blossom one is definitely my go-to. I do use vinegar in our workout clothes as well as our color towels from time to time, but I don't do that in each and every load. But as far as the Lysol laundry sanitizer, I do use that for all of our loads.
what have I done? What have I done? I'm not the one, I'm not the one. You feel my feet on solid ground. Can't lose you, babe. What have I done? What have I done? Need you around, need you around. I did you wrong, I did you wrong.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video up here. If you guys enjoyed this video, please do not leave without giving it a big thumbs up. Again, if you are new here, I would love for you to go ahead and join the squad by clicking that subscribe button and come back and join me for the next one. Bye guys.